Joining us today, Memphis Mayor Jim Strickland, who is in his final months as mayor due to term limits. From 8 years in office to the transition in city leadership, we have so much to chat about this morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Well, thank you for having me. I like your new digs.
Yes, and you were the first mayor to sit on the couch.
Well, thank you. That's quite an honor.
I know. So, well, for me. So, I was thinking back. I used to be a City Hall reporter, and you were a city councilman. So, I've watched you just rise all the way to the top. I mean, when you look at where you started and your first decision to do this, just how does it feel?
Like it's been a long time. I had 8 years on the council, 8 years as mayor. I look worse for the wear. You look still great. So
it's called hair color.
But my hair is all gray, and my teenage daughter reminds me of that all the time. But it's been a long time, and I've enjoyed it. It's the best job I've ever had in my life, being mayor. And there'll be a lot that I miss, but a lot that I won't miss.
Okay. One thing, I just cannot imagine, here you are the mayor, and a pandemic comes along. I mean, just how do you maneuver that as a human being? Because you're no longer mayor, you're bigger, it's bigger than you.
Well, first, I just try to gather as much information as I could.
Right.
Pandemic, I didn't even know what that was. And you learn about 1918 and the Spanish flu and all that. And we have experts here in Memphis, so I listened to them. I remember a Saturday morning, we gathered our entire senior leadership team around, and Manoj Jain explained the whole thing to us. And and then once you kind of understand the science as much as you can, then you try to plan. Because, I remember calling hotels and saying, if the disease spreads through our police force, is there a place where we could keep the police officers who are well away? So are we going to have to house them in hotels? And we just didn't know how fast it was going to spread and how it would affect city services. So it was a lot of learning while also social distancing.
I can imagine being that person at the hotel, and it's like, this is the mayor calling. Okay, so let's talk about sports stadiums. Very important to have our kids doing fun things, and then not just the fairgrounds, but also Leftwich, tennis. Yeah.
Yeah, and we have 120 developed parks, and we've put money into every single one of them. We've built new community centers. Ed Rice, redone Gaston Community Center. We're building Geisman. We did the youth sports complex at the fairgrounds, which is now Liberty Park, and Leftwich Tennis. It's important to the quality of life for individuals, but it's also important to have things that young people can do. Young people need something productive to do when they're not in school. Sports is one of those great things. Not everyone's into sports, but those that are need places to do that.
And what are some of the things that we didn't know about those efforts? I mean, it was years in the making.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if there's anything you don't know, but on the professional sports and the big arenas like the Simmons Bank Liberty Stadium and the FedEx Forum, we're all working together on that to try to resolve that as fast as we can. But that took a while to get done, and working with state government to be able to get $350 million is not an overnight thing. We started really meeting with state officials in June of 2023, and so it was a 9-month effort, but it was a united effort in Memphis, and I think at the end of the day, we'll be united and have two great facilities.
Yes. Okay. So we have about a minute and a half left. I just wanted to ask you, who'd you vote for mayor? Because, we do know the mayor-elect was one of your appointees, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And Paul Young is a great guy. I'm not going to say who I voted for because they were all my friends.
Okay. Ooh.
But Paul Young will be a great mayor. He's a good man.
What are you guys saying behind the scenes? What do transitions mean? Voters put somebody new in there. What's happening that we're not seeing, because you have to onboard?
Well, what his number one job now is to hire good people around him, and he's working very hard on that. He's got a transition team that's working very hard on that. 3 executives. Dr. Rudd, the former president of the University of Memphis, is helping him. So they're interviewing a lot of people, trying to gather that team. That's the most important thing he can do. He's sworn in on January 1, but if you have good people around you, just like you at this TV show, it's so important. And that's it, I think, his number one goal.
Okay, just really like in 10 seconds, what is one thing you're looking forward to doing as you leave, and your hopes for
in my next? My hopes is, at my first swearing in, we had a choir sing "Let There Be Peace on Earth," which is one of my favorite songs for church. I want peace in Memphis.
All right. You heard it here. Thank you so much, Mayor, and I'll see you next month. We have a very special visit coming. Maybe meet the wife.
Yes,
you have the
better half.
Yes, the better half. She's amazing.